Good Thursday morning to you. Waking up the door, here's what you need to know for the weather ahead. Waking up and heading out to some gusty wind and some storm activity, though, moving from the northwest to the southeast throughout the day. Localized heavy rain is possible. A second run of storms then moves in on Sunday. So we're looking at two different systems. The first one's arriving early this morning. So a couple of us will see some of those showers and storms as early as 7, 8, 9, 10 a.m. For those tri-state areas, eventually moving across the southeast later on today. And we're going to see those move out by about 3, 4 o'clock for Taylor County, Suwannee County on the southeast side of Big Bend. After that, mostly cloudy skies for the weekend. That second run of storms returns on Sunday.